Welcome to the Aditya's channel. Now today we will study about the chapter Lifelines of the National Economy. For this chapter I have marked some important questions for you all to score good marks in the CBSE boards exam 2018 and 19. Today I have brought only the one chapter, but I will brought some new chapters afterwards after a few days I think. So let's begin. See, the most important question is what the are super highways. So super highways you marked as an important question. Sometimes it asks for 2 or 3 marks as it is a short type question. So you will get only 3 marks for writing this question. Another one is the what are the national highways. Guys, I will tell you something. Please just focus on that tick questions for the better result. So now, what are the national highways? And this is a constructed and it is a maintained by Central Public Works Department named CPWD. Another question is, what are the state highways? Name the agency responsible for their constructive and maintenance. So that's what are state highways you can see here. They are constructed and maintained by SPWD, which is the main authority to look this roads and maintain it. Another is what is the district roads. As you can all see, this is an NCRT question. That's why I take it as an important mark it as an important question. So this is maintained or constructed by Zilla Parishad. So for national highway, it is CPWD, and for the state highway, it is SPWD, and for district, it is Zilla Parishad. Another question I am coming here is the what is the cheapest means of the transport. So you know it's the waterways. How you can look this here for the better result. Another is the what is the importance of the ports for the Indian economy. So this is a main source for the trade and foreign exchange. Like these questions are only benefitable when you add the answer for the foreign exchange. Another is a long answer type question. First one is what are the advantages of the roads over the railways. Its question means that how roadways is the most suitable than the railways. So this is the reason why it is a suitable. So look in another question, what are railways, why are the railways so important today? Oh, it's a nice question. Should be asked in the 2015 CBSE, and I think this question should be asked this year also. Indian Railways carries most of the long distances passengers traffic and 80% of the total freight of the country. This is a nice question and you can look into it this answer. There is a more points but it's at the top of the book. So let's move it on another question. Its name is what is the importance of the waterways? So you just look into it. Name and seaports of the India. So there is Tuticorin, New Mangalore, Marmagaon port, it is in Goa, and Mumbai. They are the most important seaports for India. Hence, you can see this question also, but I not marked as tick, so don't. I was suggest you to look this question also because this question I think is important question was the television and radio. I think this flowchart will be good for you to understand this question. As you see the question, let's move to the another question. The question is what are the reasons for dense railway network in the northern Indian place? It's only given a 2012 CBSE examination. But in this question is came in my examination, so that's why I've marked it as important question. The question describe any five problems by road transport, hence it is a advantages, but also it's have a disadvantage, so you can look this answer for. I think it's over now, and I will some bring videos on the other chapters, but there's one more question. So this one is given to CBSE 2018 and to CBSE 2013. This question is a very important question. As you can see, this is 5 points. If you are giving a five marks question, then this is necessary to give a 5 points for your good result. It's meant to provide link, development of economy, national and cultural integration, nervous system. Here, nervous system means that like nervous system, which transports some messages and other things from our one part of body to the other parts. That's just like that. Transportation and communication are just like that. And global village. It is an important point. Yes. Okay, now it's over. For map work, I will suggest you to do this. Chapter 7 Lifelines of National Economy, NH1, NH2, NH7. It is a main question, important questions. I will show you the map. So you can see this one. Golden Quadrilateral, North South Corridor, East West Corridor, National Highway with numbers. So it's came a super highway. You can see this 2 as a National Highway 2, National Highway 7, this long route, and here is National Highway 1. And this is a Golden Quadrilateral, East West Corridor, North South Corridor. See, the last point of the East West Corridor is Porbandar on the west side, and another end of the this corridor is the Silacher, and the top uh, of the north south corridor is the Srinagar, and the bottom is Kanyakumari, as you can see it. Another is the airport, seaport. Kandala is the important port, Chhatrapati Shivaji, or the major and big cities, port and seaports, airport and seaports are important. Just look it into it. So I hope this video is useful for you all. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Jai Hind.